Do you want to find the best budget smartphone? In this video, we'll go over the best budget smartphone on the market now. Before we begin with our video highlighting the best budget smartphone on the market, we've included links to this product mentioned in the description. Starting out. Pre-order offer. Pre-order the new Samsung Galaxy S23 now and get a free storage upgrade to 256GB, plus get a $50 Amazon gift card. Please select the higher storage plus gift card bundle variation for redemption. Capture the night in low light. Whether you're headed to a concert or romantic night out, there's no such thing as bad lighting with night mode. Galaxy S23 lets you capture epic content in any setting with stunning nightography. High camera resolution. Create crystal clear content worth sharing with the 50MP high-resolution camera of Galaxy S23. Whether you're posting or printing, Galaxy S23 always does the moment justice. Fastest mobile processor available. Whether you're working hard, playing hard or doing both at the same time, smoothly switch between apps with our fastest processor ever. Unlock smooth gaming. Game at full throttle and smoothly switch between apps. Get more done with our fastest processor ever combined with massive internal storage. And if you're on the move, keep going with a screen that adapts to your environment. Power to keep going. Whether you're capturing a memory or catching up with friends, Galaxy S23 will be ready when you need it most. With a 3,900 mAh battery, stay in the moment without worrying about your phone dying. More storage. More memories. Save life's memories with 128GB or 256GB of storage. Whether you're the family shutterbug or you carefully curate your gallery, capture the moment with confidence knowing that you have the right amount of space. Adaptive display. Watch your content comfortably as Adaptive Vision Booster helps your screen adapt to your environment, whether out in direct sunlight or in bed with the lights off. The contrast on Galaxy S23's expansive screen still looks amazing. Convenient collaboration. Whether you're having a video meeting with your team or your friends, use Google Meet to start a video chat on your tab and then continue the call on your phone as you head out the door. Quick share. Send even your largest files, whether it's cute puppy videos or work documents, between your Galaxy S23 and any iOS or Android device. Quick share helps minimize frustration when sharing the epic,